Elara's Stories, Tales from the AI Imagination. Welcome to Elara's Stories, where you'll embark on a journey through the boundless realm of AI-generated tales. Before we begin, I invite you to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and set your notifications to receive alerts for all future episodes. Your support is greatly appreciated. Chronicles of the Celestial Cipher. Part 2. A Stranger in Celestium. As Elara stepped into the heart of Celestium, she was immediately struck by its otherworldly beauty. The sky was ablaze with an iridescent glow, and the air hummed with an energy that was both invigorating and slightly unsettling. All around her, strange and fantastical creatures roamed the land, their movements fluid and graceful, as if they were born to this magical world. Despite her initial awe, Elara couldn't shake off a feeling of unease. There was something lurking beneath the surface of Celestium's beauty, something sinister and dangerous. She could feel it in the air, in the way the creatures seemed to avoid her gaze, and in the unsettling silence that hung over the land. Determined to fulfill her destiny and avert an impending catastrophe, she ventures deeper into the heart of Celestium, where she encounters strange symbols, whispers of ancient curses and hidden dangers, and increasingly hostile creatures. Undeterred, Elara continues her exploration, pressing on through dense forests, across treacherous mountains, and into the depths of ancient ruins. Along the way, she discovers the remnants of a once great civilization that had mastered the celestial energies that permeated this dimension. Among the ruins, she stumbles upon a hidden chamber containing the Celestial Cipher, the key to unlocking the secrets of Celestium. As she deciphers the symbols, a surge of energy engulfs her, opening a portal to a new realm of Celestium. Elara enters the desolate landscape, witnessing the destruction that befell the civilization that once thrived there. She encounters a group of survivors, determined to restore balance to Celestium and prevent the destruction from spreading to other worlds. Together, Elara and the survivors embark on a perilous journey to restore harmony to Celestium and avert the impending catastrophe.